Leetcode problem 2103 Rings and rows. There are n rings, and each ring is either red, green, or blue. The rings are distributed across 10 rows labeled from 0 to 9. You are given the string rings, which is this one, of length 2n, which gonna be, is it 20? That describes the n rings that are placed onto the rows. Every two characters in rings forms a color position pair that is used to describe each ring, where every two characters in rings forms a color position pair. The first character of ith pair denotes the ith ring's color RGB. The second character of the ith pair denotes the row that the ith ring is placed on 0 to 9. For example, R3G2B1 describes n equal to 3 rings. A red ring placed onto the row labeled 3, a green ring placed onto the row labeled 2, and a blue ring placed onto the row labeled 1. You are given the string rings and the length 2n. Let's write n strings, n rings that are placed onto the rows. Every two character in rings form a color position pair that is used to describe each ring, where the first character is the color, the second one is the position. For example, blah blah blah, return a number of rows that have all three colors on them. For example, this input, the row labeled 0 holds 3 rings. Okay, we can use a dict. The constraints of ring length is n is something less than 100. For the rings, it will be either be RG or B, where the position will be a digit from 0 to 9. We can use a dict of list. If n is the length of the string, which is the rings, then half n will be the number of the rows. We want to go through the range of n. The range of number of rows, which is the half of n. If rings plus 2 append, which is the rows. Okay, they did it. gonna put the color into here, which is the first character is the color, the second character is the number. So we're gonna have all the number here with the color. Then we go through all the rows or all the numbers for each entity. If B indeed, if all three colors are on this one, then then there will be the number we are looking for. We have to initial the result, which is 0. Color is BR. Okay, let's have a go. Error. N2 equals to blah blah. Sorry, it's not double N, it's just N. First error. Wrong answer. Which is 0. It shouldn't be. Let's do some debug for each entity. What's in there? One, 0, 3, 2, 5, 4, 7, 6. It's all empty. 0. It's 0, 2. What are they? What are the first two characters? The first character is sorry, it's not this one. It's ring. Ring. Ring, which is the string. Here. Rings. The color and which the number and the color. Again, empty. So 0, ring 0. Ring 0 should be B. We are looking for a B. B0, right? B0, yes. B0, B6. Then 0, B should be in the list of 0. But not DD. Okay, we don't want this one. Since it's working, we just remove all debugging. We pass all the tests. Succeeded, accepted.